Hello students, let's study about the usefulness of algae, that is the economic importance. So importance terms bilak, important points bilak তোমালোকে underline কৰি লবা. These are algae, that is আমি আগতে পঢ়িছো mode of nutrition. These are yes autotrophic. Okay, so it can prepare their own food and this process is called photosynthesis, through which they fix the carbon dioxide. Atmospheric carbon dioxide to ki kore fix kore heti and oxygen release kore. That is one important point. And it increase the dissolved oxygen. That means most algae are what? These are aquatic organisms. So the oxygen which is present in water, that is called dissolved oxygen. So they are primary producer of energy rich compound. ঠিক আছে, তো ফুড সাইকেল যোনটো তোমাৰ একুৱেটিক এনিমেলছ আছে, সেই একুৱেটিক এনিমেলছৰ যোনটো এনাৰ্জি প্ৰডিউচাৰ হয়, that is কোন হয়? এলগি. Many species of Porifera, Laminaria and Sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae used as food. So আমি food হিসাবেও তাক use কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, underline it, use as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large amount of hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids means water holding substances. যিবিলাক substance water absorb কৰিব পাৰে বা hold কৰিব পাৰে. Whole example algin, that is brown algae, and kerazine, that is red algae, which are used commercially. So agar, one of the commercial product obtained from Xylidium and Gracilaria, are used in grow microbes and in the preparation of ice cream and jellies. So ice cream বা jelly বনাবৰ কাৰণে যোনটো agar use কৰা হয় আৰু microorganism grow কৰাবৰ কাৰণে যোনটো agar use কৰা হয়, that is the product of algae. Chlorella is unicellular algae rich in proteins, is used as food supplement even by space. That means আমি লিখিব পাৰো যে algae are also protein rich substance. Okay, so the algae are divided into three main classes. Okay, so depending on some characters, algae can be divided into three, that is Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Let's study in detail. So first Chlorophyceae, commonly called green algae. গ্ৰীণ এলগি তাৰমানে কি থাকিব? ক্লোৰোফিল প্ৰেজেণ্ট থাকিব, সেইকাৰণে কি হৈছে কালাৰটো কি হৈছে গ্ৰীণ কালাৰ. অ'কে, চ' এইটো মনত থবা তোমালোকে. ক্লোৰোফাইচি কমন নেম কি হয়? তাৰমানে কেতিয়াবা দিব পাৰে তোমালোকক ৰাইট দ্য নেম অফ দ্য গ্ৰীণ এলগি. গ্ৰীণ এলগিবিলাকক আৰু কি নামেৰে জনা যায়? চ' ইউ হেভ টু ৰাইট দিছ গ্ৰীণ এলগি. অ'কে, চৰি ক্লোৰোফাইচি. ইয়াত থাকিব ক্লোৰোফিল এ এণ্ড বি, ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, আণ্ডাৰলাইন কৰিবা. কি থাকিব? ক্লোৰোফিল এ এণ্ড বি. The pigment are localized in definite chloroplast. Chloroplast of it thakibo. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, ribbon-shaped in different species. Okay, so most of the members have one or more storage body called pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. So pyrenoids contains protein besides starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplets. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made of an inner layer of cellulose and the outer layer of lactose. Very important. Your cell wall to kihere form hoy? Inner cellulose and the outer is lactose. Underline koriba and make question. Vegetative reproduction usually takes place by fragmentation or by formation of different types of spores. Asexual reproduction is by flagellated zoospores produced in zoosporangia. Sexual reproduction keniki hobo soa? Considerable variation in the type and the formation of sex cells and it may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Hebilakor bishoye tumalke already jana. Okay, some commonly found green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulostrix, Spirogyra and Cara. Okay, the next class is Phaeophyceae, that is also called brown algae, are found primarily in marine habitat. Okay, so they show great variation in size and form. They range from the simple to branched filamentous form. সো ইহঁতত কি থাকিব ক্লোৰোফিল কি থাকিব ক্লোৰোফিল A C কেৰটিনয়েডছ এণ্ড জেন্থোফিল সেইকাৰণে কি হয় কালাৰ ব্ৰাউন okay they vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown depending upon the amount of xanthophyll pigment fucoxanthin present in them. Food is stored in complex carbohydrate form which may be in the form of laminin or mannitol. Okay, so tumalukok soa eta table dia ase here tinta algae re code ki present thakibo common name classes major pigment present stored food cell wall and flagella number and habitat. Okay, so you have to memorize this chart, you have to remember this chart because এই চাৰ্টটোৰ পৰা কি হ'ব পাৰে ডিফাৰেণ্ট টাইপ অফ কুৱেশ্যন ইয়াৰ পৰা এক্সামিনেশ্যনত আহে দিছ ইজ ভেৰি ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট তোমালোকে এটা কাম কৰিবা ইউ শুড মেক দিছ চাৰ্ট এণ্ড পেষ্ট ইন ফ্ৰণ্ট অফ ইউৰ ষ্টাডি টেবল এণ্ড তোমালোকে সদায় কি হয় এইবিলাক চাবা ঠিক আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব তোমালোকক ইজিলি মনত থাকিব কনফিউজড নহ'বা নাও চি this stored food that is laminin or mannitol. The vegetative cells have a cellulose wall usually covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating that is called algin. Underline koriba. The protoplast contain in addition to plastid a centrally located vacuole and the nucleus. The plant body is usually attached to the substratum by a holdfast. Substratum বুজি পাইছা তাৰমানে জিটোৰ ওপৰত থাকিব এলগিটো that is called substratum. Okay, suppose কাঠৰ ওপৰত আছে okay তেতিয়াহ'লে কাঠটো কি হ'ব substratum যিহৰ ওপৰত হেতু গ্ৰো কৰিব and has a stalk that is called the stipe and a leaf like photosynthetic organ called frond. বুজি পালা যোনটো ষ্টকৰ সহায়ত লাগি থাকিব ইয়াতে এটো চোৱা this is য'ত লাগি আছে কি হৈছে এটো যোনটো ষ্টক লাগি আছে that is called strip. Okay, hold fast যোনটো portion attach হৈ থাকিব that is called hold fast and যোনটো leaf like structure হয় photosynthetic part হেতু কি বুলি কোৱা হয় frond. এটো চোৱা algae substratum তাৰমানে ইয়া জিহত লাগি থাকিব হেতু substratum হ'ব যোনটোৰ সহায়ত লাগি থাকে that is called hold fast. That strip like this filament nisna juntu portion ase stalk like that is called strip and the photosynthetic portion that is called frond. Okay, so vegetative reproduction again takes place by fragmentation same ase asexual reproduction most brown algae by flagellated zoospores and they are pear shaped and have two unequal laterally attached flagella. Then sexual reproduction may be isogamous, anisogamous or ogamous. Union of gametes may take place in water or within ogonium. Okay, so the gametes are pyriform. Examples sailo tomalke ectocarpus, dictyota, laminaria, sergaceum and ficus. Okay, this is all about the Phaeophyceae. Now next is Rhodophyceae. This is commonly called red algae. Rhodophyceae. Monot thabale easy hobo. Rhodo R N R that is red. Okay. Rhodophyceae because the predominance of the red pigment that is R phycoerythrin in their body. It is so important. Why the color of this Phaeophyceae is brown? Why the Rhodophyceae is red? Why this presence of the pigment or pigment or name too very very important. So you have to memorize. Okay, so majority of the red algae are marine with greater concentration found in the warmer areas. So they occur in both well lighted regions close to the surface of water and also to great depth in ocean where relatively little light penetrates. So the red thalli of most of the red algae are multicellular. Some of them have complex body organization. The food stored is Floridian starch, which is a very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structures. Okay, so a chart to gutekhini bostu dia ase. So your primary function is that you have to write the different classes of algae. Etia soa kihor uporot base kori classification kora hoise স্পেচিয়েলি দ্য পিগমেণ্ট প্ৰেজেণ্ট, তাৰমানে পিগমেণ্টেশ্যনৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰি, দ্যাট ইজ গ্ৰীণ এলগি, ব্ৰাউন এলগি এণ্ড ৰেড এলগি, তিনিটা ভাগত সিহঁতক ভাগ কৰা হৈছে। চ' সেই পিগমেণ্টকেইটাৰ নাম তোমালোকে লিখিবা। অ'কে, তোমালোকে সেইটোও কৰিব পাৰা, নহ'লে কি কৰিবা, ইউ হেভ টু ৰাইট, তোমালোকে নোটছ বনালা ক্ল'ৰ'ফাইচিক, দেন তাতে কেৰেক্টাৰ লিখি যাবা, কমনলি কি বুলি কোৱা হয়, তাত কি কি থাকে সেনেকৈ লিখি যাবা। এণ্ড তাৰ পৰা যিমান কুৱেশ্যন ৰাইজ হয় ইউ ট্ৰাই টু ছল্ভ ইট। অ'কে, এণ্ড কিছুমানৰ কপি মই কণ্টিনিউৱাছলি চেক কৰি আছোঁ, বাট বেছিভাগৰ মই ৰেছপন্স পোৱা নাই। চ' তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ পিছত আফটাৰ এটেণ্ডিং দ্য ক্লাছ ইউ শুড prepare the notes, write the question and answer, and you should send me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, so sexual reproduction is isogamous and accompanied by complex post fertilization development. The common members are yate swa tumalke Polycyphoria, Gracilaria, Xylidium, Porphyra. Okay, so this is all about the algae. In the next class we'll discuss about the bryophytes. Okay.